Well, hello there again, YouTube. It is I, Thor the Engine, here. Y'all saw the unboxing and show and tell of this video, so now here's the video in detail of this fan. This is a 1975, 74, 75 Lakewood P223, first generation Lakewood P223 box fan with the Westinghouse motor. Now this is, I've always wanted a P series first generation Lakewood. So I have a K series, an S series, and a P series. P223 meaning plain, plain Lakewood box fan. P223, 22-inch 3-speed fan. S meaning square cabinet, 22-inch frame, 3-speed box fan. K meaning Kmart series box fan, 22-inch cabinet, 3-speed motor. So we'll get to those in just a minute, but we'll look at this fan here. So this completes my first gen collection, because I have a first gen of each series, P, K, and S. So let's take a look at this fan. This is not the original handle, but somebody did a really good job of installing this later style one. But this one is a 74, 75 in avocado green. Yes, it is an avocado green. This fan is in not too shabby condition. You can see it's got the Westinghouse motor in it. We'll get a good look at that thing. Yes. And it has a 1974 date stamp on it. So, the bottom of this fan does not have the plastic boots on it. It's more got the rubber grommets on there as the boots for this fan. The later style ones, like on the K series ones, they're gonna have these plastic boots on them rather than these rubber grommets. But here's the top of the fan. It's got the opaque green sticker, shiny sparkly sticker. Alright, so here's all three of my first generation Lakewoods. S223, P223, K223. S meaning square, 22-inch, 3-speed. P meaning plain series, 22-inch, 3-speed. And K, Kmart, K, 22-inch, 3-speed. All of them have Westinghouse motors, and that's kind of what I wanted, the way I wanted it. All of them have Westinghouse motors. This one here being my absolute prized possession, because I've always wanted a K series 223 with the Westinghouse motor. So that is a plus. I love that fan and I will never get rid of it. Now when I got this fan was one of those Lakewoods where low sounded like medium, medium sounded like high, and then high sounded like, turbine, wind turbine. So, it was a little too noisy for my liking. So what I did was, I took this heat gun here, and ever so carefully, you gotta be so careful with this, heated the very tips of the blades, and added a little extra pitch on there to quiet it down. Now you want to make sure when you use the heat gun not to melt the plastic. However, I didn't really have to bend too much because all I had to do was point the heat gun at the back of the blades, and the blades kind of warped in a little bit so that they had more pitch on them. So now this fan sounds like a normal P223 now, and it is on high. Notice how much quieter it is because I tightened up the nuts on the motor. It's getting. Never mind that. It managed to suck a piece of tape into the fan, and now it's whipping it around the cabinet. That's nothing to do with the fan. All right, here's low. Oh yeah, that sounds a lot better. Back to high. And in the words of Tori the Fan Man, thanks for starting this, buddy. O double F, smells off. Wow, the coast down time on this fan is not bad at all. And that'll do it for this video. Have a good one, folks.